We're going to be doing a Kentucky Derby hat this morning, y'all. Look at our hat. It's cute by itself, right? But it's just, it's not blingy. It's not sparkling. We're gonna sparkle this beautiful hat, and we're gonna be using a couple different things. Okay. So we're gonna be using the Appliques. This is from the silver. There we go. Y'all, look how gorgeous. Look at that, picking up the sparkle. Well, there we go. This one has the pearls on it. So I thought about this one. And then, y'all, these are just, they get me giddy. They're so beautiful. And then we've got this one. I mean, is that not just stunning? This is another set without the pearls. Because my thought is to put one at the back. Like, look at this one. Ooh, there we go. So beautiful. So either that with this band, because we're going to give it a band. Okay, hold on. Come on. There we go. I mean, just beautiful. They're beautiful. So we're going to put, and it's not quite going to meet up, but that's okay. That's okay. Because you've got the big foof at the front of the hat. Kind of really loving this pearl, this little scalloped edge. I think we would do the scallop edge going up top. See, let me show y'all what I'm looking at here. I mean, just doing that gives the hat a whole completely different look. Now, this particular hat, it came from Belk. I believe it was at Belk. And it already had this little, I don't know what they call them, but it's kind of like the tulle, but it's hard. It's more plasticky. Like it's you can't just squish it. So I liked the fact that it already had that. It's got some tiny little feathers in there. I thought about taking just, you know, a thin strip of the Bling Wrap and going just along the brim of the hat and start trimming it. I really think I'm just gonna go with just a very fine, just one strip. So just a tiny, right here. I'm just cutting it. Okay, so we just cut our single row. So I think we're gonna go with the pearls. I think we're gonna go with the one with the pearls on it. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm excited. And then we're gonna have the back of it fancy also. See, we're gonna have that going across the back. So there's gonna be all the way around. Okay. So like I said, this has the stuff, you can just peel it. Just peel it right off. Now if you want to add some additional adhesive, you can absolutely do so. But I will say that this is quite sticky. Y'all look. So pretty. Okay. Then that is going to line up perfectly. Let me turn it so you can see. Okay. You can kind of see, we're going to like do it where it fits. Oops. Fits right there perfectly. You know, this just has it going right through the center, so I'm going to take some of our Fabri-Tac. You can get this glue any of your craft supply stores, even Walmart. Even Walmart carries it. Actually, that's usually where I find it, is at Walmart. Okay, look at the back of the hat. Wait, hold on. There we go. So how I love it. I love it. See, my dear. Okay, so now we're just going to take our bling wrap and I think we're gonna just go right in this little, let me show you. It's see it? It's like you can see through right there. I think I'm gonna bring it in that inside, right on that inside lip, whatever you want to call it. We're just gonna start it and go with it. So I'm just gonna use the Fabri-Tac. Get it started here. Okay, let me show y'all so far. Y'all, is that not too cute? I love it. I love it. I love it. You don't want your line to get crooked, so just now we're going to come and press that in, get back over there. Oh my goodness. Let me give this a quick dry. So we just took that plain black hat. Look at that bling. We used the silver and pearl appliques. So hold on there. There we go. So look at the back of that, how sparkly. So cute. So listen, now the front of it, now the front looks plain. So we've got to add some bling up here. This one is that not just beautiful? I really like that one. Really, really like that one. We're just going to play with it for just a moment. We're going to just try to stick it in there and see if it holds it up, because this stuff is pretty heavy duty, right? So I'm just going to kind of very carefully try to stick it through the other side. Look. Oh my gosh! Look. Focus for me. There we go. How cute is that? Y'all, look. So all the way around.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.